If you search for the term HDR online, you'll see a lot of examples of HDR or high dynamic range photos. Some of these look kind of cartoonish and others look pretty realistic. This example is a bit more simple than some of those since it only has 2 layers, but the effect in this tutorial is meant to be subtle yet effective. Open sunset.jpg in Photoshop and press Ctrl-J on a PC or Command-J on a Mac to duplicate the layer. Notice that the foreground is a bit too dark. We can fix that with the levels adjustment, but then it would overexpose the background area. That's why we'll selectively adjust by using masking, keeping the background of the original layer and then keeping the foreground of the new layer. Let's rename the layers. So double-click the background layer and name it Original Layer. Double-click the layer name of the new layer and name it Foreground. We're going to adjust the levels of this foreground layer so that it applies the entire layer, and then we'll mask out the background area of the top layer. With the top layer selected, go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Drag the midtones to the left a bit and press OK. Now click the Create Layer Mask icon. We need to mask out the top area or the background of the photo. Select the brush tool and choose a soft edge brush and paint some black onto the background of this foreground layer. This allows the bottom original layer to show through, so we have a better exposed foreground without having a blown out background. Here's the before, and then here's the after. Next, we'll use masking in a portrait photo for selective sharpening.